Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 5799 Southeast Chase Loop, Gresham, Oregon 97080. Current time is 9:48 a.m. on November 5th, 2018. House is facing west. There's the west street. I'm here on the northwest corner, north facing, where I've located a 3-inch ABS cleanout. This is where I'll be accessing the line for inspection. So the purpose of this inspection is to determine the overall condition and sewer serviceability of the sewer lateral for this property to the city main. I have identified a manhole on the main street in front of the house. This says that this is the sewer lateral this is going to be emptying out of to. So I'm going to zero out my foot counter here. And I have water running from the bathroom sink, so you can see the water's running downstream. So what that is right there, it is standing water, but usually at the bottom of the lateral drop like this, so see how it's dramatically going down, there usually is a puddle of water that's standing, and then what I look for is it re-emerges really quickly, which it does. So there's no issue for concern there. At 13 feet we just transitioned from ABS to 3034. Looks like there's some pretty heavy sludge buildup. About 36 feet, it looks like we're beginning to go into some standing water, but the head of my camera is not covered, and it looks like more that's being built up with sludge. Let me just keep going. At 52 feet, we have now hit the city main at 52 feet. So let me back scope here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the water up. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I'm back. So I had the water running quite significantly. So as you can see, it's receding somewhat. Yeah, that's some considerable standing water there before you hit the main. And even though that all the waste would skim the surface, there might be a ascension in this area that's sort of a belly, so it goes down and then up. So I will have to mark this because of this significant standing water at 38 feet. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I turned off the water, and so there is still quite a bit of standing water in this area. And even though it's not obstructed, significant standing water is not something that we want in a sewer lateral like this. So you can see there's an ascension there towards the main. At 51 feet, I'm going to go mark this as well. Okay, I'm back again. So I have marked this with white. This is mostly off property. Actually, it's beyond the sidewalk. Begins at the sidewalk and at 51 feet ends near the main. As you can see, the main's right up front there. But for this purpose, this much standing water, which has receded some. So right there, you see how the head of my camera is beginning to be submerged. So that's significant standing water at this point. So that for me right there, that belly would fail the line at this point. But I will suggest further evaluation by a licensed professional who repairs and replaces these sewer lines, and that you contact the City of Gresham to see what responsibility they have when sewer lines are off property. Because as you saw, there's no obstruction in the line at this point, so really all the waste really skims the belly through the water, sort of floats over it into the main, but standing water that much for my purposes here will fail the line and the inspection at this time. I will have a written report and this video upload for you and your realtor to view. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.